guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and thank you for joining the family. So today I am going for a brunch at Kempinski. It's actually like 15 or 10 minutes to 11. The brunch starts at 12. So we opted to go there a bit earlier because, well, definitely we need to shoot reels and take good photos before like the food starts to kick in. You know what I'm saying? So this is the most affordable brunch in Nairobi. The brunch goes for 4,800, and if you want like bottomless, that is for all you can eat. So if you want like bottomless sparkling wine like coming in, I think they're going to serve champagne or what is this thing again, the other one or prosecco. Yeah, so if you want like countless proseccos all day, that will be 7,000. So we're going to see how good of a deal the other one is. My friend won't be drinking because she's been having bad experiences, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I guess I will see you guys there. I'm actually in a cab, so see you.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red
we are finally here. It smells rich, it smells like good food. There's also like music, it's live, it feels so serene and like exquisitely nice, obviously. So I think I've showed you guys my outfit, or rather I'll just like put up a photo up here or the side, I can't tell. So I think that's it.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake.
Hello guys, this is Sienna Sue. I'm Patient's friend, La Rosa. We are having some really nice. We haven't started yet,
but we are about to.
You can follow my channel.
Yes.
Sienna Sue.
What do you do?
I'm a pastry chef. So you can follow about pastry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sawa sawa.
Okay.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. your song and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be written in the stars. You won't be forever, yeah, yeah. You won't be written in the stars.
So I'm here with my unboxing that I told you when the video started. So I went to Eastleigh today. A friend of mine sells like clothes and shoes and bags, so she just like showed me where to get like cheap bags, and you cannot imagine what I got. So I'm really tired, I guess you guys can tell. So I have like 3 bags in here that you can't even tell how much they were going for, like, you guys. So this is the first one. It's a black one. Let's and voila! Can you guys even guess like how much this bag was actually going for? It's new. As new. It's very new. So it has like this double string like this. You can carry it this way, or rather you can just like make it long enough so that it can fit your, you know, daily whatever that you're going to be doing. So look at the inside. This is how it looks like. I love, like, it has like, you know, spaces in there, and it also has like a zip. So I was looking for a bag that can fit my phone because my phone is a bit long. So that's the first one. The second one, I'm going to tell you guys the prices and the place where you're going to get them from at the end of this video. So here's the second one. I really didn't have like to-go bags, so I really wanted to purchase some. I am so excited. The color is giving rich. The color is giving, well, it's giving money. So it's very cute, very cute. Here's how the inside looks like. So this is how the inside looks like. It also has like that compartment over there and also like a zipper. And you can as well carry it both sides. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. If you guys know how much I bought this bag, hey, you're going to be shocked. So that's the bag. That's the bag. I don't want any bag that's written Louis Vuitton or Chanel, those fake brands, because I'll be traveling very soon, and when I carry them, people will start looking at me funny because you know what I'm saying. So I didn't want to. So this is the best bag with the best price that I got. This is the last one. I only got like 3 bags. Okay. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. So I was buying bags according to the shoe colors that I have, so that whenever I watch, it's giving boss. Tell me it's giving boss. So you can like untie this because it has like 2, so you can just like untie it. You untie the other side. And voila, you have what you wanted. You can carry it this way. I don't want to stand, I'm like a bit tired, so this is actually what I really wanted. So if I get this, I didn't get this in black, I only got it in green and maroon. Maroon seemed a bit not my color, so I went with these, guys. I went with these. Yani, I'm so excited. And it's not like, okay, so I got this first bag. When you get them for wholesale, so I was with a friend of mine, so we like purchased 4 bags. I purchased 2, she purchased 2. So when you purchase any three or more items, you get they sell it to you at the wholesale price. So we got these bags at 900. This bag is 900. This bag is 900. So both of these bags are 18. So if you're trying to save on some money, I'll tell you the location. Stick around. And this is the bag. I think you've actually seen this bag because I'm planning to like carry it. You've actually seen it in the previous vlog or the next one. Not literally like the next one, like I will have a vlog. This video will be in a vlog, so you'll probably see like I'll be carrying this, and I'll show you tomorrow. I'll be carrying this, and the shoes that I have are literally like the same green, so I'll be greeny tomorrow. I just realized that I didn't tell you where I purchased the bags. So I purchased the bags at there is a mall called Olympic Mall. It's next to, okay, so I think I'll just give you like so it's close to Amal. It's close to the Amal shopping mall. So here is Amal shopping mall, and then next to the Amal shopping mall there is Aka street that passes like vehicles and that. The next building is the mall where I got this bag from. So for the mall, it's the first floor and the second floor that has good bags. If you're looking into something chic, or if you also want the contact of the guy who like sold me the bags, because he has quite a lot of varieties, and you guys don't go there picking these mama bags unless maybe it's your mom's. You understand what I'm saying? But if you can bag yourself a good bag, then get yourself something nice and go there with a friend. Or rather just tell someone that I'm going to shop for bags, are you interested? And she has to be willing to invest in those bags also, because for this bag I bought it alone and I got it at 1100. For the wholesale it's 1000 shillings. like when I buy 3 of them, it will be 1,000. But for the wholesale, it was 1,200. But you know me and bargaining, so I bagged it for 1,100. So I only spent like a couple of, I think, 3 or so thousand. I think 20, 28, 29. I can't tell for the 3 bags, because I had seen this bag online and it was going for a good 3,500. So I really like, I was really like saving for it. But then, you know, that's it. I don't think there's anything else right now. I just want to like flat iron my wig, the one that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow, and I think that will be it. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.